Join me as I take on the challenge of using the 10-20-5 formula to transform my writing and see if I can turn it into a bestseller. The 10-20-5 formula is a game-changing strategy that can help aspiring writers like you become best-selling authors. This formula has been used by many successful writers to catapult their careers and achieve unprecedented success. By applying this formula, you can take your writing to the next level and stand out in a crowded market.
Getting noticed as a writer can be tough, especially in today's saturated market. There are so many talented writers out there, all competing for attention and recognition. Many writers struggle to get their work seen by the right people, and even when they do, it's hard to break through the noise and get noticed. The competition is fierce, and it can be disheartening to pour your heart and soul into a book only to have it fall flat. You may have written a great book, but if nobody knows about it, then it's essentially pointless.
Writers often face disappointment and frustration when their work doesn't get the recognition they feel it deserves. They may have spent years honing their craft, writing and rewriting, editing and perfecting, only to have their book collect dust on a shelf. It's a struggle that many writers can relate to, and it's one of the reasons why so many people give up on their writing dreams. The struggle to get noticed is real, and it's a challenge that every writer faces at some point in their career. The 10-20-5 formula is a simple yet effective strategy that can help writers achieve success. The formula is based on 3 key components: writing 10,000 words per month, reading 20 books per year, and spending 5 hours per week on marketing and promotion. By following this formula, writers can develop a consistent writing habit, stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in their genre, and get their work seen by the right people. The formula is designed to be flexible and adaptable, so writers can adjust it to suit their needs and goals.
The first component of the formula, writing 10,000 words per month, is all about developing a consistent writing habit. This means setting aside dedicated time to write and sticking to it even when the inspiration isn't there. By writing regularly, writers can improve their craft, develop their unique voice and style, and produce high-quality work that resonates with readers. The key is to find a rhythm that works for you and to stick to it, even when the going gets tough.
The second component of the formula, reading 20 books per year, is all about staying up to date with the latest trends and developments in your genre. By reading widely and often, writers can gain a deeper understanding of what works and what doesn't, and develop a keen sense of what readers are looking for. This can help them to refine their craft and produce work that is fresh, original, and engaging. The more you read, the more you'll learn, and the better equipped you'll be to write something truly amazing.
The third component of the formula, spending 5 hours per week on marketing and promotion, is all about getting your work seen by the right people. This means developing a solid marketing strategy, one that includes social media, email marketing, and other forms of promotion. By spending time and effort on marketing and promotion, writers can build their author platform, connect with readers, and get their work noticed by the people who matter. The key is to be consistent and to keep pushing forward, even when the results aren't immediate.
Her success was not overnight, but rather the result of hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. She faced many challenges and setbacks along the way, but she persevered, using the 10-20-5 formula as her guide. The formula helped her to stay focused, to develop a consistent writing habit, and to get her work seen by the right people. She is a shining example of what can be achieved with the right strategy and mindset, and her story is an inspiration to writers everywhere. One writer who applied the 10-20-5 formula and achieved bestseller status is a great example of the power of this strategy. She was a struggling writer, working multiple jobs to make ends meet and writing in her spare time. But she was determined to succeed, and she dedicated herself to the formula, writing 10,000 words per month, reading 20 books per year, and spending 5 hours per week on marketing and promotion. The results were astonishing, and she soon found herself at the top of the bestseller lists, with a loyal following of readers and a reputation as a talented and accomplished writer.
The key insights that led to her success are an important part of the 10-25 formula. She learned the importance of consistency, of developing a routine and sticking to it, even when the going gets tough. She also learned the value of reading widely and often, and of staying up to date with the latest trends and developments in her genre. And she discovered the power of marketing and promotion, and the importance of building her author platform and connecting with readers. These insights are at the heart of the 10-25 formula, and they can help you to achieve success as a writer.
Learning more about writing and publishing, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. I share tips and strategies for writers, as well as insights and advice from industry experts. And if you have any thoughts or questions about the 10-25 formula or about writing in general, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and start a conversation about writing and publishing.